This is where Tufdek comes to life. Our waterproof vinyl decking is manufactured right here in Cambridge, Ontario, at our state-of-the-art facility. We're the only company in North America that both manufactures and sells vinyl decking directly through our authorized dealer network. We don't outsource or rebrand someone else's product. We own every stage of manufacturing. Our Cambridge facility operates with precision and consistency, transforming raw materials into the waterproof membrane that protects thousands of outdoor spaces across North America. Every roll undergoes rigorous quality control before it reaches our authorized Tufdek dealers, ensuring the durability and performance that professionals depend on every day. Our network of Tufdek dealers brings professional expertise to every installation, creating beautiful waterproof outdoor spaces on decks, porches, rooftop decks, balconies, and multifamily properties, all protected by our 15-year product and 5-year workmanship warranties. Tufdek, made in Canada, built to perform anywhere. Contact us today to become an authorized Tufdek dealer.